YouTube, this is Wonder Louis Luigi, aka LogicalWonderz, LWG LogicalWonderz Games YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be covering how to reset the oil life on a Chrysler Pacifica. This one's a 2024 specifically. So we're going to press the start button twice, but not start the vehicle.
K-band, K-A-band.
Then we're going to go
Laser
to the menu. All right, go down to vehicle info.
GPS connected.
Oil life is at 36%. I just changed the oil. So now you press OK. Hold OK. Holding OK to reset the life. It's supposed to reset, but I wonder. There it is, reset to 100%. So basically go to menu number 2, depending on the order. Go to vehicle info, driver assist, fuel economy, trip info. I'm going to reset that as well. Set A. Reset B, since I just changed the oil. Keep track of the oil mileage. This van uses a 0W20 full synthetic, 5 quarts. So, speedometers, menu number 1. Go to menu number 2. Let me zoom in. Trying to get the focus. Then you scroll over to oil life and you press OK to reset it. And that's how you reset the oil life on a Chrysler Pacifica, I believe 2017 through 2025. Well, 2026 should be coming out soon. But thank you for your love and support. Appreciate you all. If you haven't already, please hit the like button. And if you can, if you're on PC or mobile phone or Mac or tablet, if you could please leave a comment. It helps my channel out. Appreciate you all. So to summarize, you press the, well, it depends if you have a key or push button, press the stop button twice to put in the run position. Don't start the vehicle. Then you go down to vehicle info. Vehicle info, and you scroll over. Trying to get it in there. Scroll over to oil life. This focus. It's trying to focus on the steering wheel. Go to vehicle info and go to oil life. Hold OK until it resets back to 100%. Mine was about 30-something%, 36%, I believe. So from the beginning, here's the speedometer. If you have the digital dash like this, go down to screen number 2, vehicle info. Go right or left till you get to past coolant temperature, trans temperature, oil temperature, oil pressure. Then you go to oil life. And hold OK to reset it. And that's how you set the oil life on your Chrysler Pacifica. Might be the same for the Chrysler Voyager. Once again, thank you for your love and support. Wish you all a wonderful, healthy, wealthy, safe, happy, prosperous, and blessed day and weekend. Peace and one love, everyone. See you on the next one.